This might be a better shot at showing you. You see these plastic doodads? They go in the bracket that holds the vibrator button to the side, and that's the switch. I have to trim these down evenly to the switch. I'm going to use this tiny Dremel and a little sandpaper. You pick that up at the small Dremel for electronics, an engraver. Anyway, as you can see, it's longer here. So if you stick this through and put that front plate on, the front plate would stick too far out and the switch would not work. So that's the key to this. Get it all back together and you're wondering why the switch don't work, well, that would be why. So anyway, it's a hard lesson to learn. But let's trim these down and I will be right back to install this new cable.